सुहानी नमूदे जहाँ की घड़ी थी, तो बस हम फिशा जिंदगी की कली थी, तो बस हम फिशा जिंदगी की कली थी। सुहानी नमूदे जहाँ की घड़ी थी। कहीं महर को ताज ज़र मिल रहा था, कहीं महर को ताज ज़र मिल रहा था। पता चांद को चांदनी हो रही थी, पता चांद को चांदनी हो रही थी। सुहानी नमूदे जहाँ की घड़ी थी। सियाह पैर घनश्याम को दे रहे थे, सियाह पैर घनश्याम को दे रहे थे, सियाह पैर घन सितारों को तालीम उतारती थी। सुहानी नमूदे जहाँ की घड़ी थी। हस्ती को लगते थे पत्ते, कहीं जिंदगी की कली फूटती। फरिश्ते सिखाते थे शबनम को रोना। आसमां ज़मीं को था दावा कि मैं आज़ाद का हूँ। सुहानी नमूदे जहाँ की घड़ी थी, तो बस हम फिशा जिंदगी।
Let's welcome our students Zahra Abbas, Rana Ibrahim and Fatima Zahid, who will present a concept of philosophy of Iqbal and his inspiring message. Let's give them a big hand.
From class 5, I am going to talk about khudi or selfhood, one of the most powerful ideas given by Allama Iqbal. It is also called the heart of his poetry. It is a call to discover our true self and our inner strength. Iqbal believed that every individual possesses immense potential, and that self-awareness and self-empowerment are the keys to unlocking that potential. He beautifully said, खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे, बता तेरी रज़ा क्या है। Through these lines, Iqbal teaches us to become strong, confident and independent, not in arrogance, but with faith and self-respect. For Iqbal, khudi was not selfishness, it was self-realization through love, efforts and faith. He believed that when we strengthen our khudi, we become close to Allah and capable of achieving miracles. Iqbal wanted every young person to awaken their khudi, to stop copying others, to think freely and to act with courage. He said, तू राज़े कुन फिका है, अपनी आँखों पर आया हो जा, खुदी का राज़दां हो जा, खुदा का तर्जुमा हो जा, खुदी में डूब जा गाफिल, ये सिर्रे जिंदगानी है, निकल कर हल्के शामों सहर से जा विदा हो जा। Dear friends, the message of khudi is for each one of us. It reminds us that we have the power to change ourselves, our society, and even our destiny. So, let's
Respected Mr. Jaydeep, dear students, our guests, Haji Shafi Saab, all the parents, teachers and staff, Assalamu alaikum. We are gathered here today to pay tribute to one of the greatest thinkers, poets and visionaries of Pakistan, Dr. Allama Dr. Muhammad Iqbal. Allama Iqbal basically saw the dream of Pakistan. And in short, Iqbal dreamt and Jinnah built it. I just want to say a few things about how grateful we should be for having a country of our own, where, as envisioned by our Allama Iqbal, as well as our founder, where Muslims should practice their religion, their faith, their culture, and the way of life. Because from personal experience, I happened to visit India some time back, and I made it a point to go to the old part of New Delhi. Nizamuddin Auliya ke Mazar pe jana tha, so I went there, because that is where most of the Muslims live. And literally, I was shocked to see the state of affairs of Muslim minorities in India. वो देखकर मुझे और realization हुई how grateful we should be अपने मुल्क में, although कुछ चीज़ें उनकी हमारे मुल्क में भी आ गई हैं which should be discouraged, कि इधर भी हम लोग minorities को we don't give them the same rights as जिसके लिए हमारा basically purpose था of making Pakistan. So I hope that we do not do what they did, because मुझे याद है मेरी वालिदा बताती थी, and my father in our village, there used to be separate taps पानी पीने के लिए भी. Hindus का separate होता था, मुसलमानों का separate होता था. And my mother was going to college and she had a lot of Hindu classmates and friends. और वो कहती थी कि हम उनके घर जाते आते थे, लेकिन हमारे लिए थोड़े अलग बर्तन रखे होते थे कि मुसलमान जो है वही बर्तन ना यूज़ करें जो हम करते हैं. Otherwise they were very liberal otherwise. But this shows the divide and the reason behind Iqbal's philosophy and his dream कि पाकिस्तान बनना क्यों चाहिए या एक separate homeland की ज़रूरत क्या है. So I think that if we keep remembering that, we will learn to appreciate what we have and how we should really work hard and cherish it. Iqbal's message was simple yet very powerful. As somebody, in fact, a lot has been said about Khudi. ये खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे बता तेरी रज़ा क्या है. So not much needs to be said on Khudi, because the students there explained it very well. Basically it meant selfhood, and he urged every individual to recognize the power of selfhood, faith and of action. As we celebrate Iqbal Day, dear students, you must understand that you are a living example of courage and determination. Despite whatever impairment you have, you see this in your hearts, your mind and your souls. And that is what Iqbal meant when he said, seeing beyond appearances. He believed that real vision comes from within, from the eyes of the heart that can dream, imagine and create. What it actually means is that progress begins with an idea, a dream, and each one of you sitting here is capable of dreaming big and contributing to Pakistan's future. Remember, never let your physical limitation define your intellectual ability. I have something to say to the teachers as well. You are architects of these young minds. Just as Iqbal inspired generations with his wisdom, you too have to inspire these students every day with your guidance, your patience and your love as that will help them realize their potential and dreams. We appreciate the tireless work you are doing in shaping the lives of our students. As the chairman of Aziz Trust, Iqbal Day reminds me and all of us of our responsibility to ensure that every student, regardless of ability, gets the best possible opportunity to learn and to grow. Education is not a charity, it is a right, and together we must keep on doing our utmost to keep up the effort. Before concluding, I would like to remember Iqbal's words, "Sitaron se aage jahan aur bhi hai," meaning there are worlds beyond the stars, and they belong to those who believe, who strive, and who never give up. So keep striving, and I wish you all the best and hope you realize your dreams. Before concluding, I just want to appreciate the excellent performances of the students and all those who must be appreciated, who helped in organizing the event. And I would also like to thank the parents who made the effort to come and join us in this celebration. Thank you so much.